Hello everyone, welcome to Workstatus. In this video, we are going to understand how the bulk import of the project works. You have to come up to the side navigation bar and select projects. You will be landing to a screen like this where the list of the projects that are already created will be visible. If there are no projects, then by default, the default project is given and allotted. If you want to include and you want to import the n number of projects into your account and you don't want to make it one by one, you can simply click on the upper right side on this drop down. Click on import projects. You are redirected to a screen like this where you can import the Excel file of the bulk project entries. And you can even select and you can click here to download the sample file. Once this is done, add up to the details according to the sample file and you can just import it by clicking it here and you can just click on the import now button. Once this is done, you can click on the bulk import status. You will be able to see that whatever file that you have imported, the description is mentioned here. The number of records which were failed or was success, or all of the records which you had given in the sheet was success, it is going to share the final status here, and even it is going to give you downloaded file which was uploaded by you. So this is how bulk import of the project works. Thank you.